Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to develop this food ordering app UI using Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. Start a new project, select empty compose activity, click next, fill up project name and other fields. This is our default code. Let's run and see our app. So here's the screen showing hello Android. Let's remove all of these. Let's have a column. In the column we will be just showing toolbar with our app name food app. Now right click on the package name and create Kotlin class. Create data class food and it will have three variables: drawable of food, title and description. Let's create a list variable of type food and pass images. Let's copy all the food images. Go to drawable folder and paste it. Also pass title and food description. Add multiple food class to this list. Give a function name show food list and pass the list we created earlier. Create a composable function show food list which will accept food list values. Use lazy column to populate the items on the screen. Pass food list in the items and import the items. We will use another method food card to display each food item. Pass it where it is a single item of the list and pass modifier with some padding. So let's create the food card function which accepts food item and modifier. First, add a surface for the food card. and choose its shape as rounded corner shape of 8 dp and elevation and modifier. Inside the surface, let's have a column of full width. Then place the image. Use painter resource to pass the image resource. Content description and scale as crop. Then give full width but height as 144 dp for the image. Let's run our app. And we can see the list of food images. Add another column for food title and description. Text as title and text style as H5 and some padding in the bottom. Add one more text for food description and text style as body 1. Run this app again. Let's add some space around the text. So add modifier padding as 16 dp and bottom text as 4 dp. Let's run again. So our UI is completed with minimal coding. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.